As a proactive falls prevention instructor, my goal is to motivate and empower older adults at risk of falls to proactively improve their health and well-being, reduce their risk of falling and live purposeful, independent lives. On receiving a falls referral, my role is to undertake an individual assessment and deliver evidence-based falls prevention sessions through digital and face-to-face. I also tailor and monitor home programmes and support referrals throughout their 32-week strength and balance journey. As well as being positive and enthusiastic during the delivery of classes, you need to be innovative, use your initiative and knowledge of falls prevention interventions. A good understanding of personal programming and functional assessments to provide tailored, safe and effective exercise sessions is also key. And to help you meet the needs of your referral, you need excellent communication skills, an empathetic nature and strong commitment to client care in this person-centred role.